guys, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel. So I am super excited because I have my dark lips on, I have my Lily Munster shirt on, and it can only mean one thing, and that means it is finally spooky season, my favorite next to Christmas. So I recently posted a video of me unboxing my Redbird Vintage subscription, and being that it is spooky season, Redbird Vintage came out with a pre-made Halloween box, and look how stinking cute this box is. So if you don't know what Redbird Vintage is, it is basically a vintage shop, and you can subscribe to monthly subscription boxes, and they send you like vintage things. They also have pre-made boxes, and that's what I'm unboxing today. So if you want to see me unboxing my monthly subscription, I'll link it somewhere where you can go watch it. Being that it's spooky season, I did order the Halloween box. So they have like what you can get. So this is a total surprise. I have no idea what I'm gonna get. I think you either get 4 or 5 items. I'm not exactly sure. We'll find out in a minute. But I'm so excited to see what's in here. Ooh, there's fun tissue paper. Let me know why I'm like more excited about the tissue paper. Okay, all right, so this is what is inside. So there's a little skeleton. Oh, he's so spooky. He's spooky. I'm not gonna lie. He's a pretty scary dude. Anyways, he's gonna sit right here next to me. Okay, so it comes with a Redbird Vintage card saying thank you. So I'm gonna open this first. So all the Halloween ones come with a horror comic. So let's see which one I got. I see 50 so far, so I'm excited. Ooh, 50s Terror, classic pre-code horror. Next mutants again. Oh, this is so cool. It's a horror comic book. Oh, this is so cool. Look at how cool this is. Now it is time to see what accessories I got. Ooh. Okay, so they are all in this bag. This bag is adorable. Once again, I love how excited I am about like everything else, like tissue paper, this bag. Okay, so let's open it. Ooh, okay. I think this is a necklace. Oh, it's a bracelet. That was dumb of me. It's like chains. Oh, I love that. Okay, wait, can I open it? Oh, okay. Oh my god, I don't have anything like this with my vintage jewelry, so this is so cool. Once again, I said this the last time when I opened my box for my scarves, but I wish they said like what era these are from, so I have to do my research because I'm a nerd like that. Okay. Ooh, it's a necklace. Oh, how pretty is this? Okay. Should I just like wear everything I got? Oh, this is so, once again, unique. I don't have anything like either of these things in my vintage jewelry collection. Shut up. Shut up, shut up.
Shut up!
Right, so if you don't like spiders, you're not gonna like this, but it is a bedazzled spider brooch. Oh my god, this is adorable. See, I don't like spiders, but like I like cute spiders like this, so I'm not gonna put it on, but this is so pretty. Oh my god, I love this. Oh my god, look at how cute he is. And he has a little bat. I am obsessed with this little guy. I want to name him. I want to name him James. I don't know why. James is not a spooky name, but I'm just gonna name him James. Okay, we're gonna put James back in his little bag, because I don't want anything to happen to him. All right, so I have 2 more things. Let's go with this. Ooh, spooky. Is this a necklace? Oh, cool. So it's one of these like skeleton thingy majiggers. I don't really know, but it's a necklace. Oh, he's cool too. Oh, I love this. This is awesome. Last thing. It feels like another brooch. Oh, that's so funny. This is funny. It says I enjoy being a ghoul. I do. I love everything in this. This is so amazing. I have to say my favorite items have to be the spider and my little ghost friend James. These are adorable and I cannot wait to like put this on like a sweater or something. Oh, I can definitely wear him with my Halloween costume. Yes, okay, it's happening. This was so cool. I literally got, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 pieces of vintage jewelry, a little skeleton, and a vintage comic book. I don't see how you can go wrong with this. I loved this. This is so fun. It's like a surprise. I love surprises like this. So I'm gonna name him Stan. I don't know why. Stanley. We're gonna name him Stanley. Alright, so that is it for this video. I had so much fun unboxing this. It was Halloween plus vintage. What more could I ask for? 2 of my favorite things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!